Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ian. I like to polish things. I travel the state of North Dakota and the rest of the country polishing whatever I can get my hands on. This video we have a 2009 SnoBear. I've seen them around, but I haven't had a chance to actually work on them in the last 9 years. My installers in Minnesota and a few other places have had the chance to work on these, and they've been sending me photos and I've been super jealous of it. So now I finally found one and it's time to polish. I got a lot of surface area to cover. I'm gonna get to work. We'll show you some steps on how to use this marine stuff and then a little bit of polishing tips too. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, we got a good angle here. So now we're gonna show you how I like to use the Meguiar's one-step compound for marine and RV. This stuff is so good. It works so quickly and it shines up really well. The real big variable is which pad you're using. And of course, everything's different. Like something this chalked up is going to need a wool pad and a few passes. So we just pick it up. I run on speed setting 4. And I like to go slow with a lot of pressure. Drop my towel. All right, so that looks good, but it's not good enough. So I'm gonna hit it one more time. Pull it off, set it down, and we'll give it a wipe. So I gotta do that twice around this whole entire thing, and then we're gonna polish it out. So this thing will get polished 3 times before it even is close to having a ceramic coating on it. So that's it. I'm gonna get to the rest of it and then we'll come back when it's time. Yeah, we'll come back when it's time to do some polishing. All right.
You get lost. Yeah, elevator straight up.
It's rotary time. Oh, that's a good song. In the kitchen and it's tasty. Been a lot of haters call it quits. Been head to head rapping shit. And I'm cool with all the shooters cause I've been around them. Black sheep on my name, could Dennis Rodman. I forget about him. Hi, Aggie. Alright guys, so while I am cutting all the oxidation off, I got my buddy Matthias who owns, what's his business name? Mirror Finish out of Minot, but he's back on summer break from Cornell and found out I was out here polishing, so he drove down last night. And you'll see him later on in the video, but I've got him on the DA pulling out the holograms and doing the rest of the shining, and then he's gonna help me coat it, and everybody's gonna be happy. So I am cutting this twice. I don't know if it's ever been polished, but it definitely needs to be cut twice. I'm gonna keep polishing. Oh, camera's down there. Haha. I'm gonna keep polishing, cut the cameras, and then when Matthias gets back, we'll get a little bit of him. And then hopefully we're both on the same side, and then it's ceramic coating this afternoon. So this is coming along fantastic. So right now we got some artillery fungus, these black dots here. on the paint, so I'm just using the ScratchWerkes Scrub all-purpose cleaner, letting it dwell a little bit, and then rubbing them off. I was born a rambling man. Mama tried, but she didn't try hard enough. My old man never did give a damn. Turn me loose, watch me go. Just one night and I'm back on the road. It's a life for everyone, but it's a life for me. The best coating on the market, ScratchWerkes Gold. All right, let's get to work. I love you. All right, folks. Well, we have made it to the end of the video. The SnoBear is completely polished. It is ceramic coated in ScratchWerkes Gold ceramic coating, and as you can see, the difference is absolutely unbelievable. This thing has an incredible shine to it. This thing was awesome. We were able to move it up and down, do a bunch of things. We took care of the roof as much as we could, but as you guys saw in the videos, pretty straightforward. Rotary, DA, ceramic coating. That's it. Appreciate you guys sticking around to the end. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching the video.